Hello everyone, we are Amen Communication Technology Co., Ltd. Today, we're going to talk about the bending of light. So, can light be bent? Yes, fiber optics can bend, but they shouldn't be bent too much.
Otherwise, it can easily lead to increased light loss in the fiber. Now, let's talk about the principle of light. To understand the bending we mentioned earlier, we first need to grasp the principle of light. Fiber optics can transmit light internally, based on a fundamental principle. This is the phenomenon of total internal reflection that we commonly observe. When light moves from a denser medium to a less dense medium, total reflection occurs as the angle of incidence increases. That is, optical fiber is manufactured and processed based on the principle of total reflection. Light structure involves dense and less dense mediums, resembling a layered sandwich. The core, about 9 micrometers, is the innermost part. Next is the cladding, around 125 micrometers, and the outermost layer is the coating, about 240 micrometers. Fiber optic cables transmit light by confining it within the core, which is wider than the cladding. The core is the innermost part, 9 micrometers wide. Next is the cladding, 125 micrometers in diameter, and the outermost layer is the coating, 140 micrometers wide. Fiber optic cables transmit light by confining it within the core. Excessive bending causes issues. The fiber optic cable, 240 micrometers in diameter, can transmit light by confining it within the core, as the core's diameter is greater than the cladding's. Why can't fiber optics be bent too much? Excessive bending means light can no longer undergo total internal reflection within the core. When too small, some light will spill out of the cladding, causing more signal loss. Fiber optics cannot be excessively bent. Excessive bending of fiber optics prevents light from total internal reflection. Small bending causes light to escape, leading to loss. This means that the main reason is that light can no longer undergo total internal reflection within the core. If the bending diameter is too small, some light will spill out of the cladding, which leads to increased light signal loss. This is a major reason why fiber optics cannot be excessively bent.